Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video I'm going to show you how to create glowing shapes effect in Picsart. So let's get started. First open Picsart and choose your subject image. Go to draw and again click on draw. Open layers dialog box and select the transparent layer. Click on these shapes and select your shape. I'm gonna select the circle shape and size 20 pixel, opacity 100. Choose stroke type and then press OK. Change the color to white and bring your shape into the canvas. And I'm gonna add another shape. Okay, now open layers dialog and select this transparent layer and select your eraser tool. Change the brush type to this one and set. And here is the unwanted region. To look like the guy is inside the circle. Now add another transparent layer, empty layer, and change the color to orange or any of your favorite colors. Then select the brush type as this one and set. Then draw over the circle. Then change the mode to lighten or screen. Okay, screen is good. And I'm gonna brush over the another circle. You can also choose different color like this one. So that's it guys, this is the very simple method for creating glowing shapes effect in Picsart. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up and subscribe this channel for more future tutorial like this. Bye.